Good morning, students. Today's topic is the growth of sociology in India. So, we'll study how sociology developed in India. Colonialism was an essential part of modern capitalism and industrialization because after coming of colonizers, new modern industries were set up in India and established capitalist system. And the writings of modern sociologists on capitalism and other aspects of modern society are relevant for understanding social change in India. As Western sociologists studied about the changes brought by the process of industrialization, and colonialism implied that the impact of industrialization in India was not necessarily the same as in the West. As the societies were different, characteristics and environment of the countries were different, so obviously impact of industries will be different. Sociology in India also had to deal with Western writings and the ideas about Indian society that were not always correct, because Western writers studied Indian society from their point of view, which may not be correct, and these ideas were expressed both in the accounts of colonial officials as well as Western scholars. And the Western writers saw in the 19th century India the past of European society, because they could see the same kinds of problems are faced by the Indian people which were faced by the European people after industrialization. And according to Western writers, there was a difference between sociology and social anthropology. A standard Western textbook definition of sociology is the study of human groups and societies, giving particular emphasis to the analysis of the industrialized world. On the other hand, a standard Western definition of social anthropology would be the study of simple societies of non-Western and therefore other culture. Simply, sociology studied present society and social anthropology studies about the primitive society. Furthermore, social anthropology in India moved gradually from a preoccupation with the study of primitive people to the study of peasants, ethnic groups, social classes, aspects and features of ancient civilization and modern industrial societies, as there is no rigid divide exists between sociology and social anthropology in India. Okay, so this much under this topic.